Guys, okay, I think this is video number 7. I'm pretty sure I've said this before in another video, but because I'm recording in 4K on my Note 8, it only lets me record up to 10 minutes at a time. So I have to have a timer so that way I know when I'm about to run out, because a couple of these videos I've ran out and didn't know it. I just did the previous unboxing video, and I wasn't able to get to these two boxes, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And I actually have a little bit of a teaser after I'm done with these, because this video is gonna run a little short because there's only 2 boxes. So yeah, we'll get to it. Interesting how he packaged this, but I mean, it works, and it works good, so good job on that guy. That's a little bit dirty, but alright. That was totally unnecessary. But I guess that's just more packaging material for me to save and use in the future if I need to. Alright, so this piece here, yeah, I mean, I'll have to be painting it to, you know, match the camouflage scheme on the vehicle when I get it. But, you know, these were actually pretty hard to find. So what this is, on the 2-door versions of the Humvees, you have these panels. So I'm getting, well, I already bought it. I'm just waiting for the EUC to get approved so I can have it delivered from Georgia. But so on the 2-door versions, you have these panels that take up the bottom half of the door opening. Above that is where, so like with the video I made yesterday of the troop seats, and that's the video I made outside because the troop seats are really big, and they were in a giant box. So those troop seats actually come right along here, and they stop at the back of the cab. So you need to fill that space underneath where the troop seats go. And on the vehicles like mine, which is the turbo, so the 1152, that's a turbocharged Humvee that is the expanded capacity vehicle. So it's actually 2.5 ton. Most all big trucks, well, Chevys, Fords, Dodge, they're all 1-ton trucks. And you think, oh, well, that's a lot. That's the strongest thing. Yeah, the Humvee's 2.5 tons. So those trucks, 2,000 pounds in the bed. Anything over that, and they're getting overloaded. The Humvee's actually 5,100 pounds. So it's a little tad over 2.5 tons. They're just built extra super duty because of what they need them for in the military. Anyways, so on the 1152, which is the turbo version, they have these little access doors to get into that space where the seat would have normally been for the 4-door. On the M1123, which is the non-turbocharged troop carrier truck. They don't have this access door for some reason. It's just solid all the way down. You'll see along here where they have rivets, and that's because it's holding this onto place right here. So all this is still the same on the non-turbo vehicles, but for some reason on the turbo they added this door, and then these latch down to little deals that are on the body of the truck. But yeah, this piece is in really good condition. He could have, man, like, how much does it take to get a hose and just hose something off real quick? Yeah, I mean, that's kind of, whatever. I got the piece and it's all good. It's not bent up, and that was the main thing. Sure, stuff can happen when I have the vehicle and things can get dented and messed up, but, I'm not wanting to start out that way. So yeah, I'm actually very happy with that piece. It's in really good condition, except for the dirt, but that's okay. All right. This, let's see, this is the top. All right, so what I have here, this thing is actually in pretty darn good shape. So what this is, it's a little spotty, but who cares? The material itself, it's in really good shape. And so what this is for the top of the vehicle, for the cab. Now, even though I'm going to be enclosing it all like a regular vehicle with 1/4-inch aluminum, it's like, okay, well, if I could find some of these pieces for the top and the back and then the canvas doors, if I can get all that stuff for cheap or a very, very reasonable price, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So that's what I did. So I bought this. On the way, I have the back piece on its way here. I haven't bought the doors yet. So far, I've only found one camouflaged door. It was the passenger door. I haven't found a pair of 2 doors. So I haven't bought that yet. But, so like I said, I bought this just because it's going to be a minute before I get the top and the back and all that done. And I just want to have things enclosed and protected in the meantime until I do get that stuff done. And then what'll happen is I'll just be selling that stuff once I get it enclosed, and then hopefully getting most, if not all, my money back. Okay, we got 1 minute left, and I'm going to do a little what do you call it? Like a little teaser for the future. 50 seconds. I better get to it. So, this box here, probably about a good 20 pounds or so. I don't want to let any of the tags get revealed. This here, and I got to make sure I don't turn this so you see what's printed on the side. These 2 boxes here are a very integral part of the unique stuff I'm doing with the Humvee. Nobody else is doing this. They just aren't, and this is going to be something that is really freaking awesome. And we got 3 seconds, so